Okay, we have an excellent connection. That's good. And we are live. Woo! Hi everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Today we are going to be doing some math lessons in Duolingo. Of course, we're going to be doing our daily quest. We need to earn 50 XP, do 3 math or music lessons, and complete Unit 6. So I thought today we would focus more on our math skills and building those and strengthening those. So if you are interested, grab a pen, grab some paper, a pencil, whatever you use to write, and let's start with some math. Okay, let's do it. So in math, we are on section 2, unit 6, and we are going to be doing some multiplication. So let's begin. Oh, I don't have a lot of hearts. Okay, that's okay. All right, so it says here to follow the pattern. So we have 2 times 3 times 2 is 2 times 6. So yeah, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so that makes sense. Then we have 2 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. Okay. And then we have 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So our equal equation would be 12, 2 times 12, which is also 24. Okay, which, let's see, we have 4 times 5, which is 20. 20 times 2 is 40, right? Then 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60, so that's wrong. All right, now we need to complete the equation. What times what, or what plus what, will equal 80? So let's see. We have 20 times 4, that will equal 80. And now we need to count by 7. So 70 minus 7 is 70. So 70, 77, 84, 84 plus 7. Let's see, what would that be? That would be 91. Oops, wait, what am I doing? There we go. All right, so now we have 20 times 5. That would be 100, right? Okay, so now we have 30 times 5, which is 150. 4 times 30, which is 120. And 6 times 30, which is 180. Basically, what you could do is do 6 times 3 and then add the 0. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's a little chilly in here. Maybe I should put on a sweater. Anyway, what is 30 degrees multiplied by 4? So we have 30 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 0. So that would be 120 degrees. So let's bring this thermometer all the way up. And there you go. All right, answer all three. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. All right, so what times 11 equals 88? So we know that with the 11 times tables, you're basically just adding, you're basically counting by 1 and then adding that number twice. So it's like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. So 88. 11 times 8 would give you 88. Hopefully that made sense. If you have questions, leave them in the chat. I'll do my best to answer them. All right, so what times 25 equals 125? So think about quarters. You have 25, and you have 50, 75, a dollar 25, dollar 25. So that is 5 quarters that will add up to 125. So 5 times 25 is 125. Okay, so now we have 20 times 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Add the 0. That is 120. All right, 3 times 4 times 6. So we have 6 times 4 is 24. And then 24 times 3, let's see, is 72. All right, so same thing. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. And 8 times 10 is 80. What temperature is 6 times 11? So we know, like I said before, anything times 11 is usually the double of that number. So 6 times 11 would be 66, which is represented in this picture right here. Hey, you have a word problem. I took my pet frog Sugar outside and it was only 6 degrees. Sugar likes it to be 4 times that temperature. What temperature is that? So to figure this out, we will do 6 times 4, which is 24. So to answer this question, Sugar likes the temperature to be 24 degrees, which is represented in this picture right here. And just like that, we have a perfect score.
Get more with Super Duo.
All right, so we're just going to watch the ads very quickly and then move on to the next lesson. I do want to thank you all for joining the live. Don't forget to like the live and leave a comment in the chat. Let me know that you're here. Say hello, where you're from, or what time it is it where you are. I know sometimes we're all in different time zones, different countries, and all that stuff. So, don't be shy. Definitely make yourself known in the chat. Okay, so just looking at our daily quest, we still need to do 2 more math lessons and receive 25 more XP to open the gold and silver chest. I mean the bronze and the silver chest. So let's continue with math. We're still on multiplication. All right, here we have 5 times 4 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 4 is 80. What plus what, or what times what will give us 88. So we kind of just did this previously. So we know that 11 times 8 equals 88. 50 times 4. So let's see. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 0, so that would be 200. 8 times 6. Let's see. What would that be? All right. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So we have 8 times 7, which is 56. We have 9 times 7, 63. And 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, 5 in a row. So we have 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So that would be which of these? 6 times 4 right here. So we have 4 times 5 is 20 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12 times 4. What temperature is 4 times 25? So, like I said, just think of money. You have 4 quarters, that is $1. So 25 times 4 is 100. So the temperature would be 100 degrees, which is represented by this picture here. We have 5 times 11, that would be 55. You just double whatever the number is times 11. 11 times 2 is 22. All right, 110. So what times what would equal 110? So 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 11 would probably be 110. All right, we have 11 times 3. We know we just double it, 33. 1 times 3, add another 3. 9 times 5, if you think of a clock, when the long hand is at the 9, that's 45 minutes. So 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. Same analogy, just think of a clock. 8 times 5 is 40. What is 3 multiplied by 11? Same concept. 11 times 3 is 33. So we'll just bring this thermometer up. There you go. So what times what, or what plus what equals 22? We see an 11, so we know that 11 times 2 is 22. All right, word problem. It's 7 degrees outside. I can only play outside if it's 3 times that temperature. What temperature is that? So to figure this out, we will do 7 times 3, which is 21. So the temperature would need to be 21 degrees in order for him to play outside. And just like that, we have another perfect score. So let's go ahead and collect our XP. We're going to watch this ad really quickly and then move on to the next thing. So we opened our bronze case. We just need to do one more math lesson to open the silver. And then, I don't know, we'll have to figure out how we're going to complete unit 6. I do want to thank you all for joining the live, liking the live. Don't be afraid to participate. That's what this is all about. We're all here to learn and explore and expand our minds together. This is a no hate zone. I don't get the answers right all the time. I'm not perfect. So I don't expect any of you to be perfect either. We're all just human and we're just all here to try our very best. So, don't be afraid. If you think you know the answer, add it in the chat, or if you want me to explain how I got to an answer, definitely let me know, leave a question, and I will do my best to answer. All right, so let's do one more math lesson. All right, so we have 8 times 7, which we know is 56. 9 times 7, which we said was 63, right? And we have 10 times 7, which is 70. All right, 10 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Add the 0, 80. All right, we have 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So what would that be? So 24. Oh, yep, it would be this one here. Then we have 5 times 5 is 25. That's 25 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Times 5 is 30. 15 times 2 is 30. Okay, now we need to count by 9. So let me grab my pen and paper. We have 90 plus 9 is 99. 99 plus 9 is 18. That would be 108. 117 plus 9. 2. I've got 126. Okay. What times what equals 121? Let's see. I believe that would be 11 times 11. 11 times 3, 33. What is 7 multiplied by 8? So we know that 7 times 8 is 56, so this would be 56 degrees. 9 times 6 is 54. All right, we have 25 times 5. We know that is 125. 6 times 25 is 150, and 4 times 25 is a dollar. I mean, 100. But like I said, just think about money. Think about quarters. Anytime you see 25, think of 25 cents. Even with 10, think of 10 cents. 5, think of 5 cents. If it's easier for you to think of numbers in money conversions, then do whatever you can to make it easier for you. What temperature is 5 times 50? So we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Add the 0, that would be 250. So that is this picture right here. Right. What times what is 18? Oh, well, we need to do a combination of sorts. So let's see. About 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Okay. All right, so we have 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah, 12 times 5 is that 75? Like, I'm going to come back to that one. Let's see. We have 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. I believe this one for 12 times 5, I believe it's 60, but let me just double check. Yeah, 60. Okay, so then 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. All right, we have 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 4 is 80. All right, so what times what equals 48? Let's see. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So 8 times 6. My brisket cooks at a temperature of 150 degrees. To cook it faster, I double it. What is the new temperature? So there's two ways you can do this. You can either do 150 plus 150, or if you want to get to the answer a little bit faster, you can just do 150 times 2, which would give you 300 degrees. If you do 150 plus 150, you would get the same answer. So it's really up to you what's easier for you, what you decide to do. Okay. So we got another perfect score. That was pretty simple, not too bad. But like I said, if you have questions, leave them in the chat and I will do my best to answer them. All right, so we opened the silver chest. Let's open another chest by watching an ad. I hope that you all are having some fun and learning something, even if you're not asking any questions in the chat. I hope that by watching this, you're grasping something, learning something from this, and that's really all that matters. I definitely, by doing this every day, it has definitely sharpened my math skills. So it is good practice whether you're doing it for school or just doing it as an everyday task that because math is really all around. It's like as much as we hate to admit it, math is everywhere. So it is really good that we practice. The only way you'll get good at math is if you practice math. So, that's what it is. So we do need to complete Unit 6, but it's Unit 6 is a long way down. So let's move on to, let's do English. Let's see how far we are in English. We also have a lot to do here. So, let's see. What about French? How far are we here? French is also a long way to go. Okay, Spanish. Spanish is also a long way to go. There's no way I'm going to finish all of that in one day. Let's see. Arabic is not too far off, but still a lot. What about music? Music is not too bad either. So it's either between Arabic and music. Do you guys have a preference which one I do? Or you guys don't really care? It's okay if you don't care. Yeah, I don't know. We could do some Arabic. I don't think we're going to do the entire. I don't know if we're gonna make it to complete unit 2. Like I don't know. It's not too much left, so let's see if we can get through it. If not, that's okay too. Oh, it's nice. They're letting me watch an ad to earn a heart, which is definitely needed because I only have 4 hearts. So, yeah. Definitely need as many hearts as I can, especially when I'm doing Arabic because it's starting to get harder. In the beginning, it was hard, but now, and then I was getting the hang of it, and then it started getting hard again because, as you master one thing,
رواد
Rawed, Bob, 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 is it this one? Which one of these look like Bob?
بوب
Oh, okay.
كاري
Carrie or Daddy. Okay, they only give you one option.
جورج
Okay. Guess they really want me to get it right.
رواد وكاري
Rawed and someone said, oh, Carrie. Someone said Kelly. 5 in a row. Rosa e Judy. Rosa
روزا
and Judy.
كري
Oh, that's
كري
Kelly. Okay,
وجودي
that's what. Oh,
وجودي
Judy.
وجودي
Yeah, that's Judy.
كري وروزا
Getty and Rosa.
جودي وجورج
Judy and George. So Judy,
Judy.
Judy, and George. George. I don't know. Was it? Let's see.
وجورج.
Yep. Ruad and Bob. Ruad, Ad,
رواد.
Roded, and Bob.
وبوب.
I'm getting the hang of this. No lie.
روزا.
Groza.
روزا.
Rosa. Yeah. So I see the U and the I. Because it's not really like the letters, it's not really how it's spelled. It's more about how it sounds, which is interesting. George and Rosa. Okay.
جورج.
George, Ros.
وروزا.
Oh no,
وروزا.
yeah.
وروزا.
Warosa.
رواد.
That's Road.
رواد.
Okay. Just making sure.
كاري وبوب.
Getty and Bob. Getty,
جودي.
no.
جودي.
Is this Getty?
كاري.
Getty,
كاري وبوب.
Bob,
وبوب.
Bob. All right.
رواد وجودي.
Rawed and Judy.
جورج وروزا.
George, which one is George again? George,
جورج.
Rosa.
وروزا.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's one more.
جودي وبوب.
Judy,
جودي.
and Bob.
وبوب.
Okay. Not bad. Difficult, but not bad. Did pretty well.
You're
Okay, so it's going to watch this ad. I do want to thank you all for joining and liking the live. I really appreciate it so much. When you're doing good, or I wouldn't say when you're doing good, but when you're doing something that's not viral or eye-catching, usually doesn't get the views, but you guys really stick around for this, so I really appreciate it. Okay, Dawa. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe this.
ذوى.
Okay. Oh no, that's not Dua. Dua. How do you pronounce thaw? I don't know. Or Thu, maybe it's Thu.
بز.
Bez.
بز.
Okay. They. A. They.
ذوى. ذا. ذا. ذي.
Oh, maybe it's they. Okay.
كذ.
Kev.
كذ.
Da.
ذا. ذي.
They.
ذي.
Duau.
ذو.
Oh, thou. Thee.
ذي.
They. Da.
ذا.
Da.
ذا.
Dawa.
ذوى.
Thu.
ذو.
What's this? Dawa.
ذوى.
Dawi.
ذي.
Oh, the. Okay, close enough. No. The.
ذي.
They. Oh, Lord. Oh, hey, how are you?
ذو.
Thou.
ذا.
The. The.
ذي.
Okay. Thou.
ذو.
Thou. Okay, this is thou.
ذو.
This is thee. Thou. Thee. Thou. I don't know.
ذي.
They.
ذا.
The. In.
ذا.
The. The.
ذي.
The.
ذوى.
Oh, that's what I was trying to say. I just came. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been on for about 20 minutes. I was actually planning on logging off in a few. Uh,
ذو
thou,
ذا
thou,
ذي
they. Okay, tha, da. Let's see.
ذا
Maybe this.
ذو
Thou. Okay. Yeah, Arabic is not the easiest language, I must say. That I understand. Like, I actually understand why people don't learn English is hard too. Like all of these languages. That's why I'm always so impressed when like someone says they know three languages or can even speak a second language because I'm like, wow, I mean, to just learn the first one. Yeah. So I'm just gonna watch this ad really quick and then move on to something else that's well, actually no, we're gonna stick with Arabic only because I'm trying to finish out this level and I don't know if I do, oh gosh, but then I would have to do this, which is like, oh, it's only two, and then I would have to open the chest and then do the final thing. Ah, how long I've been on here? 26 minutes? I don't know. I guess let me keep trying. Identifying names. Raj.
راج زك
Zach.
زك
Ba.
جا
Oh.
ب ذوب
Go.
ذوب
Dee.
ذي ذوى
Go.
ذوى
They.
ذوى
No.
ذا ذا ذي
They. E. Oh, because it has like an E at the sound at the end. Okay, that kind of makes sense.
ذا
That.
ذا
Okay, so that's something with a B. Thawab.
ذوب
Thobe. Oh gosh, what's this?
زك
Zach. Ja.
جا
Z.
ك
Oh, that's a ka? What? Oh, Zach. Oh, I see. Okay. And then it's a Z.
راج
Okay, that was
ذا
something. Oh,
ذا
that.
ذا
Alright, we're actually almost done. Ka.
جا
Oh, ja. Zach.
زك
Duab.
ذوب
Oh, dab. Okay, whatever. A ka.
ك
And then douj.
دوج
Dwa. Dwa. Which one is it again?
ذو ذا ذو
Okay. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Watch this ad. Oh, not screamed. Alright, so we have to do two of two, identify names.
بز
Bez.
بز
Cat. Let's see. So I see an A in this one and this one, and then the TH sound. I don't remember what symbol that is.
كذ
Oh, okay, there you go.
كري وبوب
Getty and Bob.
جاك
Ja.
جاك
Jad.
جد جد
Jed.
جد جورج ورواد
George here. Bob. Oh, Rawed. Oh, it sounded like Bob. Baj.
باج
Yeah.
جودي وبوب
Judy and Bob.
جودي
And Bob.
وبوب
Rube.
دوب
Doob. Daj.
بز
Baz. Ka. Oof.
جد
Jed. Cool.
كو
Baj.
باج رواد وجودي
Rawed. Rawed. Rawed.
رواد
Judy.
وجودي روزا وجودي
Rosa and Judy.
جودي وجورج
Judy
جودي
and George.
وجورج
Cool.
كو
Kach.
بز
Oh, Baz. Cool. Baj.
كذ
Kav. Baj.
باج
Doob.
دوب جورج وروزا
George.
جورج
Rosa.
وروزا جورج ورواد
Rawed. Alright, we got one wrong. That's not the worst. Did that pretty good. We got some goodies. Double XP for the next 15 minutes. Alright, so all we have to do is this last one, and then we will open the gold chest, complete unit 2. So, yeah, let's grab some of these chests. Sure. I do want to thank you all for joining the live. I really appreciate all the support, the likes, the participation in the chat. Really means a lot. Yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna do this and then I'll probably close out for today. Tomorrow, hopefully, depending on the daily quest we get for tomorrow, I'll mix it up. I know we focused a lot today on math and then doing some Arabic towards the end, but that's what it is. You just kind of have to mix it up and do different things to exercise your brain. You don't want to get used to doing the same thing, then you're not challenging yourself. So it's good to kind of mix it up, which is why I do Arabic because it's something completely foreign to me, but it's also a way to exercise my brain, practice retaining information and using my mouth to enunciate certain words, and it's very healthy to learn a language or practice a particular skill. So I would encourage all of you to
دوج
download any type of app, learning app, and just practice. Whether it's simple math, advanced math, just something to keep you going. All right, so I think you said douche, but let me see.
دوج
Yeah, Jack,
جاك ذوى
Dewa,
كو
cool,
كو كاري وبوب
Getty and Bob.
ذا
The.
ذو
No.
ذا
The. They.
ذا ذوى ذا ذا ذي
They. That's it. That's it right there.
جد
Jad.
جد جورج ورواد
George e Walid. Ka.
جا
Ja. Ka.
زك
That's it. Duab.
ذوب
Dob. Raj.
ك
Oh, that's Ka. Okay, so this is Raj.
راج
Baj.
دوب
Oh. Baj.
باج جودي وبوب
Judy and Bob.
جودي
Judy. Bob.
جورج
No, that's George.
جورج
Bob.
وبوب
Here we go. Uh, Ja. Something with an Baj.
جد
Jed. Oops, I dropped my AirPod. Gosh. Alright, so that was Baj. Oh, wait. Dropped my headphones. That kind of distracted me.
جد.
Jed. Cool.
كو.
Baj.
باج.
Doob.
دوب.
Buzz.
بز. ذي.
The.
روزا وجودي.
Rosa. Julie. Oh man, we did it. We did it. Hey, yeah, we did it. We did it. Tum, 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 tum. All right, and just like that, we open the golden chest. So let's continue. We unlock Unit 3 in Section 1. That's exciting. So probably what we will do next time is, oh, this is going to take 1 day and 23 hours to open. Okay. But yeah, what we will do next time is the legendary exams. We have one here and one here, but we don't have enough lives to do them now. But we did it. We got through everything today. So I do want to thank you all for joining. Don't forget to like the live. If you like things like this, if you really enjoyed this live, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. I go live every day around the same time, 1:30-ish. Sometimes I do like a late night after dark live. Sometimes I'll do an early morning live. So you just have to catch me when you can. But I do appreciate you all for joining, and I will see you all tomorrow.